Dennis from The Right Stuff, and we're out in the shop today. We're working on a 1969 Chevelle project car. We're installing a new disc brake system and a master cylinder. We're going to show you today how to bench bleed your master cylinder. This is a very important first step in the bleeding process, and it's going to save you a lot of headaches down the road. The first step in bleeding the master cylinder will be to secure the master cylinder into a bench vise. We prefer to clamp it by the ear for easy access to the piston and easy access to the bleeding ports. Included with the master cylinder is this bleeding kit, which includes your fittings, a clip, and 2 rubber hoses, which are going to help you in the process of bleeding the master. The next step in the process will be to install the bleeder kit on the master cylinder. We're going to take the 2 rubber hoses and connect them to the fittings, take the tapered side of the fitting, insert it into the ports of the master, and give it a little twist to secure it. The points will go up in the hole there and bite a little bit. And then you want to make sure that the hoses come back up and go down into the fluid so that they can't return any air into the lines. This little clip right here will hold it to the bail and keep everything in place. The next step in the process will be to add the brake fluid. Today we're using DOT 3 fluid, which was the factory installed fluid in our 1969 Chevelle. Please refer to your owner's manual for the proper fluid for your application. The next step in the process will be to add the brake fluid to the master cylinder. We're going to want to fill each chamber of the master cylinder 3/4 of the way full, and then make sure that the tips of both bleeding lines are well below the surface so that no air can return through the lines while we're bleeding. Slowly depress the piston inside the master cylinder until it stops, and then slowly release multiple times until you see no more air bubbles traveling through the hoses. Make sure to keep the hoses submerged through the surface of the brake fluid. If they come out, you'll have to do the process again. So that's it. We've successfully bench bled our master cylinder. Once you've been through this process and you see no more air bubbles in the line, you're ready to install it on your vehicle. Thanks for watching our video today. Please follow Right Stuff on Facebook and be sure to check out our YouTube channel for much more videos that can help you with your project car.